The 12-volt battery warning or DC-DC converter fault in your Tesla Model 3 indicates a problem with the auxiliary 12 volts battery. This battery powers essential functions when the main high-voltage system is off, such as lights, sensors, and the infotainment screen. A failing 12-volt battery can cause various electrical issues, so addressing this error promptly is crucial. The battery voltage normally stays around 12.8 volts, but drops below 10 volts, triggering the warning. The DC-DC converter, shown here, steps down the main high-voltage battery to provide the 12 volts power needed for these essential functions. This battery is typically a sealed lead-acid or AGM type rated at 75 Ah. Be alert for these common symptoms of a failing 12-volt battery. First, dashboard alerts like service required or low battery voltage will appear on your screen. As the battery weakens, the voltage drops below safe levels. Watch as the voltage falls from normal to critical. Second, electrical glitches occur, such as an unresponsive touchscreen or complete failure to start the vehicle. Third, potential DC-DC converter issues. The DC-DC converter can overheat if the 12-volt battery is weak, as it tries to compensate for the low voltage. To diagnose the 12-volt battery issue in your Tesla Model 3, start by checking for error codes using the Tesla mobile app or an OBD2 scan tool. Test the battery voltage. If it reads below 12.4 volts, the 12-volt battery likely needs replacement. Tesla's 2025 firmware update, version 2025.44, includes diagnostic enhancements for more precise error codes such as 12-volt battery voltage low or DC-DC fault, which can aid in diagnosis. You can replace the 12-volt battery yourself, saving significantly on labor costs. Professional replacement at a Tesla service center typically costs around $400, while DIY parts can be as low as $150. However, improper handling during DIY replacement can damage the vehicle's electrical system, particularly the DC-DC converter. It may also void your warranty if not done correctly. DIY requires mechanical skills and appropriate tools. If you're not comfortable working with electrical components, seek professional assistance from a Tesla service center or qualified mechanic. They provide expert handling, maintain warranty coverage, and ensure safety. Ultimately, choose the approach that matches your comfort level with automotive electrical work. If you're mechanically inclined, DIY can save money. If you prefer safety and expertise, professional service is recommended. First, access the battery. For 2021 and newer Model 3s, it's located under the rear seat. For earlier models, you'll find it in the trunk. Next, disconnect the cables carefully. Always remove the negative cable first, then the positive cable. Make sure to note their original positions to avoid confusion during reconnection. Now install the new compatible 12-volt battery. Ensure correct polarity. The positive terminal connects to the red cable and the negative to the black cable. Use an AGM battery that matches Tesla's specifications. After replacement, Tesla recommends resetting the vehicle's systems via service mode in the touchscreen. This ensures all electrical components recognize the new battery. Finally, avoid jump-starting the car as it could damage the DC-DC converter. If you need to charge the battery, use a trickle charger instead for safe, slow charging. When choosing a replacement battery for your Tesla Model 3, select one that matches Tesla's specifications. A 12-volt, 75 ampere-hour AGM battery. This ensures compatibility and optimal performance for your vehicle's electrical system. The official Tesla battery, as shown here, features a premium design with proper terminals and sealing. However, off-the-shelf options like the Century 12-volt, 75 Ah AGM battery offer a cost-effective alternative that meets the same requirements. Always choose a sealed lead-acid or AGM-type battery. The AGM construction, as illustrated in these diagrams, uses absorbent glass mats to hold electrolyte, preventing leaks that could damage your vehicle. This design also provides better vibration resistance and longer life compared to traditional flooded batteries. Preventative maintenance can help avoid 12-volt battery issues. Consider extended warranties to cover potential replacements, and use third-party battery monitoring apps that integrate with Tesla's API to predict failures before they occur. Battery life is improving in newer Tesla Model 3 vehicles thanks to better thermal management systems that help regulate temperature and reduce wear. This can extend the auxiliary battery's lifespan. Looking ahead, Tesla plans to introduce solid-state auxiliary batteries in Model 3 refreshes by 2027-2028. These advanced batteries could last 10 years or more and significantly reduce vulnerability to common issues like low-voltage errors. Real-world examples show that owners in colder climates, such as Minnesota, often face higher rates of 12-volt battery failures. This occurs because heated seats and infotainment systems drain the battery faster in low temperatures. Experts from automotive sites emphasize that regular voltage checks can prevent up to 90% of these errors. A healthy 12 volts battery should maintain around 12.8 volts and last 4 to 6 years under normal use. If symptoms like low voltage warnings continue, always consult a certified Tesla technician to prevent additional electrical damage. For additional insights, explore online communities like Tesla Motors Club and Reddit's r/Tesla, where owners share successful fixes and maintenance tips.